Hey folks, it's Corey with John Bear Auto Group. Just want to take a moment to show you your new Sirius XM satellite radio and walk you through some of the features that come with your new vehicle. Let's take a look. Okay, so when you want to use your Sirius satellite radio, first thing you want to do is go into your audio section. So you can head to your home screen or your app page. Do this by hitting the home button on the middle corner, or you can actually hit the home button. There's a physical button that looks like a house on your vehicle's console. But once we get to this page, we can go into our audio, and this will bring up our audio section where we can access our Bluetooth, access the regular radio, or access Sirius XM radio. Now you do need a subscription with this. All new vehicles do come with a free trial, so you have some time to figure and try it out, see if it's for you. But when you do have a subscription or during your trial, there's a bunch of features that are really nice about having satellite radio. So as you can see, a couple base features are you have your song name and artist name information, as long as a song album cover that allows you to see the album cover for that specific artist. And there's a couple options here too. So what we can do is, if we know what channel we want in, we can scan through the channels here by hitting the channel up button, and that'll bring you to this channel scan view. So right now it shows us we are on Pandora now, which is channel 3. We can move up and scan through each of the channels here, and each channel has their own name. So 70s on 7 will give you 70s pop hits. There's a little descriptive underneath there. If we know what channel we really want to go to, or specifically, we can tune to that channel. So if we want to go to 90s on 9, we can hit 9, and it'll give us a little preview. Yep, it's 90s on 9, and we can hit go, and then that will tune us into that channel. And just like any of your radio functions, you can actually save that channel to your top favorites menu by pressing and holding that preset until it makes a beep, and there you go. 90s on 9 is now saved as a favorite. So you can go through and save any of your Sirius XM channels to your preset bars up here at the top, just pressing and holding until it sets. Another cool feature here is we have a browse option over here. If we go ahead and hit that, we can actually browse by genre or type of music. So say if we're looking for some country songs, we can go to the country section here, and it'll give us a list of the country channels that are specific to Sirius XM. If we want to go to, let's say, Y2 Country, which is a favorite of mine, we can scroll over and you can see Y2 Country is listed there, and it says this Millennium's Country Hits, gives you a little disclaimer underneath. So you can just press on that button there to tune right in, and we can see Blake Shelton's playing, and then his album artwork up here in the corner. And again, we can press and hold, and that will set Y2 Country to our favorites menu. So aside from browsing, and you can have a related button here. So if we're looking for something related to Blake Shelton, we can press that button there. And it'll take a second, and what it'll do is it'll relate to different other channels that give you, songs or other content that would be related to that artist that you're pressing on. So country countdown, we can go back and we can actually listen to those episodes. So it's previous content that's available to you. That's relatively a new feature there. That's a pretty interesting one to check out yourself. Again, nice feature with Sirius XM is we can pause it, so we can actually pause the song. We can restart the song from the beginning depending on when you tune into the channel. It gives you a little bit of a buffer to start the song from the beginning. A nice feature you'll notice too is when you tune into a new channel, it will generally, if it's available, start the song that's been playing on that channel from the beginning for you. So you can go ahead and start each channel with the song from the start. So it's a nice little feature that updates as you go. And that is pretty much Sirius XM in a nutshell. Not too much in the settings, just your subscription information and some different audio settings that'll allow you to. If you go back into your listener settings, you can block explicit material if you have kids in the car or whatnot. And see, this is the tune to start option that I was just talking about, where the songs will start at the beginning when you tune in the channel. You can turn that off if you wish. Gives you an option to reset your listening history as well, but we can back out of those. So just some options there you can play with. And again, sound here in the corner will give you access to your car sound settings. So that is Sirius XM in a nutshell. Of course, if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us either on this video or directly at the dealership. Thanks so much for watching.